So I've got this stuff here, got it offline, Carb EGR Turbo Intake Valve Cleaner, and I've looked at the back here and it also says totally safe on lambda probes and catalysts, dust, tar and others. So if you remember what it looked like before, let's see if we can get a better close up than this. Remember what it looked like before, that's it now. I've only given it one kind of squirt. She's looking no bad already. Let's see if we can get a proper close-up. No, it's not going to happen. I'm going to give it a good clean, squirt it in that hole. Had it for a minute there. Yeah, just messing about now. Give it a really good clean. That's not bad. Not too bad, but I'm gonna really soak it in the stuff. I'm wearing an orange glove, so basically just if I can do this one-handed, might not be able to. I've just been squirting it straight in that hole. Get as much rubbish out as I can. There we go, look, see it coming out the wee holes, starting to unblock. And then probably just let it air dry. It's looking a bit better. You can see some of the sensor there, not a lot though. Yeah, I can't believe how suited up that was. I mean, I don't know when that was last out, if it's ever been out. I certainly have never taken it out. I've had the van 2.5 years. I mean, it could be the bane of most of my problems. I'm praying. So yeah, so that's what's happening now. Cleaning the O2 sensor. Look, it's looking clean anyway. Like I say, I'll give it a good shake and a good clean out with. I'm going to use the rest of the stuff on it. I know I can clean the turbo with that stuff as well. I think you have to do that while it's running, so I'm not gonna do it just now. But unbelievable, eh? Anyway, that's an O2 sensor cleaned. All right, see you in the next one.